Welcome back, everyone. We are joined now by Landon Gibbins, a junior neuroscience major at Notre Dame, currently studying for the MCAT and planning to pursue a career in medicine. Along the way, he's also made a big impact through the sport, media, and culture minor, helping, get this, create an internship program that trains students to serve as coaches in local schools right here in South Bend, Indiana. We talked about that inextricable link between the university and its community, and now we see it, right? He's also working in the community as an athletics director at a local elementary school. Landon, let's bring him into the conversation here. It's always good to talk to you. We've tried to peel back the layers. You've done so much. Let's first talk about this neuroscience major, and you're on the pre-med track. So why are you an athletics director? How did that all come about? What inspired you?
Yeah, that's a good question. My dad, one thing he kind of always told me is, if you like to go to work, then it's not a job.
Huh.
And, you know, for me, the neuroscience major, I kind of think of school as work. And so whenever I'm able to go to school and kind of take classes that I actually, enjoy, the neuroscience is interesting, but I grew up loving sports. I was in a wheelchair for 3 years when I was younger, and I kind of switched from consuming sports as a participant and switched to the media side. And, since then I've just kind of fallen in love with the game, sport, and kind of the act of consuming it.
I'm going to say this now. Before the end of the interview, we're going to take a shot of your feet. I hope we can do that because your shoes and sock combo are stellar. We will get to that here in a little bit. Talk about this internship program, if we can, because this is pretty unique.
Yes, sir. So we started that. Dr. Annie Coleman, who's awesome, switching actually to the director of American Studies, but was formerly the director of the sports media and culture minor.
Okay.
She helped me, and along with Play Like a Champion Today, a local nonprofit, they actually contacted me. I was coaching in just the rec leagues in South Bend, and we noticed a need for coaches. We have great students in South Bend. We have great athletes, and they deserved the right to play. We believe that it's a fundamental human right, just like all the other ones.
Wow.
And we wanted to create something for them so that they had more resources to play, and giving them coaches was a way to do that.
You're working as an athletic director, I understand it, at Lincoln, which is an elementary school here in town. What have you learned from that experience? And what do people who you're helping to coach, in essence, what are they saying to you that helps you understand this place, this space, this community, this city known as South Bend a little bit better?
Well, I've kind of grown to love South Bend.
Nice.
As my time here. Being really a part of the community has been really important to me. South Bend's just as important to me, if not, more important to me than Notre Dame. Not more important, but just as important.
But I want to talk about, if I can just peel back that layer for a second. South Bend, the city, okay? You're talking about the city here. It means a lot to you, too. It's not just the passion behind Notre Dame. It's the passion behind Notre Dame and everything that, everyone wants to talk about Notre Dame being in South Bend, but Notre Dame is a part of South Bend and vice versa. Do I have that correct?
Yes, sir. And Notre Dame's done a lot for us to be able to support the community in South Bend. When we say being a force for good, it's tangible and it's actionable, and it's not just something that Notre Dame says. It's something that they want us to act on. And I've had nothing but the full support from Notre Dame throughout this journey. They've given us all the resources to make the internship succeed. They've connected me with various nonprofits, different programs. It's a mission that they truly believe in.
We want to bring this back home, obviously, for folks who are watching right now, potentially prospective students as well. What's your advice to them, folks who are still thinking about where they want to go to school, or people who are saying, hey, the University of Notre Dame, that's where I'm going to school. What is this place about? Tell them exactly what this place is and why it is you're involved in so many different places. Oh, yeah, and also MCAT, that's a part of it, too. Why is that? Is that because Notre Dame is pushing its students in the way to do more of that?
Notre Dame attracts a certain type of student that's already motivated to do those things. It just gives you the tools to amplify those resources that we, kind of already believe that we've been given by, God to go out and act in the community, but also, on campus, there's plenty of things that, we do on campus to support each other. And, whenever you think of a prospective student, you're given all of the resources of a very, very elite institution. And there's really no place like Notre Dame that combines athletics, faith, and academics.
Wow, that's powerful. Something else is really powerful are those shoes you got on. I want to take a shot of those shoes before we end this. Look at that combo right there. You can't get no better than that. Landon, that is beautiful. Your story is beautiful. What's the inspiration behind this sock and shoes combo? Did you just wake up and say, I'm going to just do this?
You know, penny loafers. Rosie McDowell, who works in development, gave me these socks for St. Patrick's Day. She's amazing. She's also helped support me a bunch through a lot of other things that I do through the Financial Aid Speakers Bureau. So shout out to Rosie McDowell.
Shout out to Rosie for sure, and shout out to you, friend. I hope you don't coach your nose.